Alright, so in the last post we talked about lights and lanterns and flashlights, and we also mentioned that we were going to show a video on how to change mantles on a lantern, which is pretty basic. This is a lantern that I talked about that we've had forever. It's got several years of use, it works great, it's a dual gas lantern. And you can see that the one mantle is bad on there, so we're going to change them both out really quick. Real basic. Careful with the globe because the globe is glass. You don't want to break that because then you're out of lantern on your trip. So there's one mantle there that's out. There's the other one. Both of them are gone. So we'll put those there. We'll get our new mantles here. Some of them have strings, some of them have metal wires that you have to twist on. It goes on pretty basic, just like that. Slide them in there. Tighten the string down. Tie your knot. There's one. The other. And once they're on, you have to burn them off. This just takes a minute or so. It burns them down to size. If you don't do this when you light the lantern the first time, you're going to get a big flash and they're going to flame up on you. They're going to get all charred like that, which is expected, and they're going to turn white, and then when they're white, they're ready to go. This weekend we're over at Tillis Hills, and Denise is going to be writing a review, and we'll be posting that too as well about the campground. Let you guys know what we think about it, if you got something, a place you want to come to or not. So now that they're all burned off, we're going to put the glass globe on. There's a guard that it sits on in here to keep it from bouncing around when you're carrying it. Everything's ready to go. And there you go. That's how you change your mantles out on your lantern. Just that easy.